Hi. So before continuing on any further, I did want to show you three ways that you can contact me. The first is, of course, the Q&A section of the course. This is a public discussion board, so you can go search for a question to see if someone has asked the question and if I have responded, or feel free to post this question and I will respond to you as quickly as possible. Another way is by clicking on the overview and scrolling all the way down until you see my profile picture and my name. You just simply click on my name. It's going to take you to my official page. Click the send message, and we can have a private discussion between you and me on any questions, concerns, or feedback. And then the final way that you can contact me is once you enroll in the course, you will get a welcome message from me. So simply click on your profile picture, scroll down and click on your messages, and then find my welcome message and respond directly to that message, and I will get notified with any questions, concerns, or feedback. Now, the final thing I wanted to mention is how the rating system works of this course. Udemy itself will ask you to rate the course at the very beginning, in the middle, and at the end. If you don't feel like you want to give the overall rating of the course early on, feel free to just press the Ask Me Later. Finish the course from the beginning to the end, and then go back into the course, and as you see on the right-hand side, you will have the option to give this course a rating. So don't ever feel pressured that after 3-5 lectures, they're asking you for a rating and you have to give a rating. Just press the Ask Me Later and then give me your feedback and your review after you finish the course. Okay, let's move on to the next lecture.